endured. The challenges that we have heard, all these things were not a waste. That God uses every season to shape our character, so that He can teach us obedience, and that we can depend on Him fully, tracing God's footsteps. Number 3, it cultivates gratitude, humility, tracing God's footsteps. It reminds us that where we are, we did not arrive by ourselves. And therefore, gratitude replaces pride. You see, I said to you that when we look at the footsteps of God, He strengthens our faith. When Caleb was standing in front of the Israelites, he says, 40 years was I. When Moses sent me to spy the land, I am now 85 years. I am strong as in the day Moses sent me. Give me this mountain. When you trace the footsteps of God, you will challenge mountains. Mountains of opposition, mountains of defeat, mountains of sickness. Give me this mountain. I am strong as I was the day Moses sent me. Give